What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you are looking at a 2015 Harley Davidson Street Bob. Guys, I'm sorry there wasn't a walk around video for this bike. This bike's awesome. It's actually in really, really good shape. I think it's got like 2,000 miles on it. Start here on the rear fender. Dang, this rear fender's in great shape. Tires in good shape, obviously. I mean, it's a 2015. It's got the smoked out rear turn signals. A little bit. I mean, this could use a little bit of chrome polish. It'll come out right away. This all looks really good. The shocks. Sometimes the shocks start to like rust up top here. This one looks really good. Not really seeing anything. It's just basically all stock. It's got the powder coated engine. It's a 103. It looks like if they put an aftermarket air cleaner on it, I don't think that's the stock one. The stock one just says like 103 on it. Tank's in really good shape though. We got some slight, like really slight scratch right there if you can see that. Not a huge deal. This blue's got some like serious depth to it. Scratch right there if you can see that. This blue's got some serious depth to it. Front fender's in good shape. Front tire obviously is great. Smoked out turn signals up here. Forward controls, which is awesome. Plenty of room for you bigger guys. I'm a taller guy, so I love forward controls. There's the cap for the old controls, the mid controls. So you can put mid controls back on it if you want. Don't know why you would. I mean, I guess you could. Seat's in great shape, guys. Two up seat. Top of the tank's in great shape. There are only 2,291 miles on this beast. Let's put this beast in. A little bit of a charge. It's got black mirrors. Yeah, it's a great looking bike. Like I said, 2,291 miles on it. All of it's basically stock. I think the mirrors are stock like that. I don't know though. Not 100% sure. Oh, there's a scratch on the mirror up there. If you can see that, just notice that. So there's the scratch. Great looking bike, guys. 2015 Harley Davidson Street Bob, 2,000 miles. Love this bike. It's in killer shape. Check it out on the website. Super cheap. The diamonds are dead, so get the last of a dying breed. Thanks for watching, guys.